So, hello everyone and welcome back to another Southern Biker video. Today we are at TTT Motorcycle Village in Sudbury, and we got here basically as soon as it opened and there were no other bikes here, so ours are parked around in the car park and now there's loads of bikes here. Anyway, let's go inside and let's have a bimble. So there's a lot of bikes in here that I don't actually really know what they are. But there is indeed quite a lot in here. Right, which way should we go? Let's go left. A lot of Triumphs at the front here. The Suzuki's, and then these are the Benellis or Benellis, however you say it. Oh, there you got the calf, and then here we've got some mutts. We'll look around here and then we'll come back. Some BMWs here. They also do accessories and gear here and stuff. So they've got obviously bikes, food, gear. They've got quite a bit. Right, and then let's quickly whiz back round. And this is where the scooters are, and they've got some panniers. And then yeah, over there's the cafes and bits and bobs. Chuckers over there. Classic Vespa. Let's not step into one of those as I did earlier. Not into it, I kicked it. Let's go round this way. Well, they also have a Ferrari and a Lotus. They also have some electric bikes in here as well, like that one. Yeah, helmets. Pretty much everything in here is for sale. Got a bike there as well, but not a clue what that is. Oh, hello. Sneak preview of the behind the scenes. Yeah. Helmets. Boots. Also some mini models here that I think are adorable. A bike. And then here they've got some Royal Enfields. And then more scooters that way. Let's head this way. Over here. Right to Uzi. I'm not sure what this one is. Oh, AJS. PSA. I'm sure you can always see the Kawasaki's in the background. Some Yamahas. Let's head this way. So I believe that's a ZX10R, says over the back. Something that has clearly been to some racetracks, but I'm assuming it's a project bike as well because it says at the back it's like budget, like a spare engine and spare parts. So you get quite a bit of that. Because there's all these classes bikes, I have not a clue what they are. So they're probably more qualified people to talk about what's in here. The elusive shed. quick, we have a Norton. Indians. Indian Scout there. Some more gear. And then there's like their workshop where they do MOTs and stuff. I think there's a Hayabusa over there that turned up for an MOT about 5 minutes ago as we walked past. Real quick. Here we have a £13,000 XJ6. I'm assuming it's just a tag they've left out by the shop when they need it. It might be a staff bike, to be fair. Royal Enfield, Triumph, and a Hayabusa. This small blue Yamaha I have sat on and fallen in love with. I don't really have the skill level to ride it. I also don't know how old it is, there's no reg on it. But I do love a proper dash. It's in kilometres, which suggests it's an import apparently. Also more gear. And then these are SWMs. I have a mash here with a sidecar. So I'll go around the front to get a better view of that. Some more gear. Round we go. Just quickly get you. So yeah, there's the mash with the sidecar. There's another mash. R6, R6 and R7. That's the smallest Yamaha ever. Oh, here he is. Living out your younger days, Paul.
Yes.
Yeah. I'll be kind, I won't film you getting off it. Old arcade machine, which has 1995 credited as the year. Showing it is how old it is. A trumpet? Oh no, it's a trombone in it. Something like that. I have some Ducatis. Yes, and here we have the Hondas. What we'll do is we'll go around this way. Suzuki's. So that was quite a popular model back in the day. Got some. Oh, that's fun. Then we've got some SYMs. Hondas. And here are the Suzuki's. Ooh, look, that camera was trying there for a sec. Yeah, I've got plenty here. It's almost like a museum. Let's go a bit further around. Yeah, there's the 6 and the one behind it, and then the R7 tucked away in the corner. No price in the R7, so I'm assuming it's recently arrived. Let's go back up here real quick. MT-07 there, very popular mic. I think it's a 7, yeah. I don't think it was a 9. Yeah, I do like that R7. I think that's pretty much everything. So yeah, I might do a quick video looking at what's outside as well, but we'll see. With that, I think it's time for another cup of tea. See, your cat is broken. Right, we're outside. Just saw those lot leave. In fact, we spoke to them as we came out. A quick look. There's a few bikes here. Royal Enfield, Ducati. Really like that one. It's a 650. That's a Husqvarna. Which means that's custom. There's a little 125 over there. Triumph Trophy. And then up here, there was a white ER6F Kawasaki when I came out earlier, and I do really like those. Dirt bike. Oh, hang on, there's something turning up. I think it might be a VRF. But look, one of the new Speed 400s. I've seen these at the show, but I've not actually seen one out in the flesh yet. Or out in the road. That's nice. And then if we go back round, we have a big Yamaha and a Honda. And then we're parked over there. But yeah, time to head home.